Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white, grey and maroon printed shirt with beach pants and beach loafers. Next you can try black and white striped shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try peach polo t-shirt with black pants and black shoes. Next you can try blue and white printed shirt with white pants and tan flip-flops. Next you can try white plain shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black and white striped half sleeve shirt with white pants and black sandals. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with black pants and black loafers. Next you can try navy blue shirt with beach pants and beach loafers. Next you can try white oversized t-shirt with beach pants and white and peach loafers. Next you can try black t-shirt with white jeans and black sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 cargo pants outfit ideas.